love my readers, and they ask such interesting questions. First one, what's one thing your characters always seem to do, even if you don't plan on it? And the answer is fall in love when it's wildly inconvenient, and usually while saving the world. Next question, what sparks a new book idea for you? So that is normally single what if moments, usually something dark, magical, and just a little bit dangerous. Question 3. When you aren't writing, how do you spend your time? Well, that's with my cozy army of magical cats. I'm a full-time crazy cat lady with a typewriter. So thanks for your awesome questions. Keep them coming. Ask more below for next time.